Hello everyone and welcome back to another guitar tutorial. Once again, I'm Kuya Clint and this is my channel where I teach you guys how to play guitar songs easily and in detail. So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play the song Shout Out My Mom's Calling by Hotel Ugly. It's a song that I picked up on TikTok for quite some time now and I like the song, so I decided to why not teach this song to you guys as well when it comes to how to playing it in your guitar. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be teaching this to you guys as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And aside from that, I'm going to be teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, there's only going to be 4 of them and it's going to be these ones right here. All in all, we'd have D minor 7, E7, A minor 7, then the E minor 7 chord. Okay, so for the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. Just like that. So allow me to demonstrate. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be using our thumb to pluck the bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time. Then waiting it out for 1 count, and plucking the D, G, and the B strings all together. Then once again, plucking the bass string. Yep, so it's going to be bass, waiting it out, D, G, B, then bass. Just like that. And with that said, the entire plucking pattern will be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so for the chord progression that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, pretty much just going to be the D minor 7 chord for 4 counts, E7 chord for 4 counts, A minor 7 chord for 4 counts, then the E minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, then just repeating that chord progression over and over again for a total of 22 repetitions. And that's going to be your entire song basically from start to finish. D minor 7 chord for 4 counts, E7, A minor 7, then E minor 7, once more, E minor 7, yep, just like that. Yep, and once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Baby, come home. Baby, won't you say something? 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 Okay, so when it comes to the first and second chorus, as well as outro sections of the song, there's going to be a lead part when it comes to the guitar, which is going to be a riff basically. And I decided to break it down into 2 parts when it comes to teaching these to you guys. So first part is going to be this one right here. So for this one, I'm going to use a pick for the sake of this video. And when it comes to holding a pick, just make sure that it's kind of perpendicular with your thumb and pinching it with your index finger like so. And make sure that only the tip is going to be showing out like this. Yep. Make sure that you're not holding it too tight or too loose to have a comfortable playing when it comes to plucking. Yep, so first part is going to be the 15th fret on the B string. It's going to be like this. Yep. So what I want you guys to do here is basically just going to be plucking and releasing the tension as quick as you can. It's going to be like this. Yep. And waiting it out for 1 count. It's going to be the 12 on the high E string, 15 B string, 13 B string, 15 B string. Yep. Like that. It's going to be the 12th fret on the high E string, 15 high E string, 12 high E string. Yep. Like so. It's going to be the 14th fret on the G string, 13th fret B string. It's going to be the 15th fret on the B string. Yep. like that. So all in all, for the first part of this riff, it's going to be like this. And for the second part, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, once again. Now this time we're going to be starting it all off with the 14th fret on the G string, which is going to be like this. Yep, so it's going to be from the first part. Yep, kind of like just coming back on that 14th fret on the G string. Once again, 12 high E string, 15 on the B string, 13, 15, and 12 fret on the high E string, 15th fret on the high E string, 12th fret on the high E string. It's going to be the 17th fret on the high E string, 15th fret on the high E string, then 12th fret on the high E string. And lastly, it's going to be the 15th fret on the B string. Yep. And basically we're just going to be doing the first part, then the second part of the riff, then repeating that for a total of 4 repetitions. And that's going to be your sections for the song basically, for the first and second chorus, as well as the outro section of the song, when it comes to the accompaniment or the lead guitarist, when it comes to the riff of the section of the song. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. So yeah, that's the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. So good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.